Alright guys, so I just woke up. Lucy and Diego are still sleeping. I'm gonna wake up Lucy. Wake up!
Whoa.
I'm making a video.
I'm so tired. Okay.
Alright, let's wake up Diego.
I'm gonna see you part 2.
Guys,
we're gonna see you
this
part
is
2.
pretty fast, babe.
Bruh, that's the first thing that he does when he wakes up. Okay, we're gonna see you in part 2.
Okay.
Bye, see you in part 2.
Yo, para.